45 miles an hour. Mini 2. You ready? You ready? Let's do this. We're gonna drop this bad boy in sports mode. And I'm just at ground level. This is the height we at. And it's misbehaving. Just misbehaving right now. Holy shit. Let's do this. We up there. No sticks. Height 76 feet. That wind is real, boy. We're getting the wind warnings. But it's holding up. It's holding up. It's holding. Alright, let's take it up. We're gonna take it out. And that battery's dropping. Anyway, I only went up with 50, but it's still dropping. Oh, all right, let's go up, guys. We got to take it up. 300 feet is the goal. Shit, we're at 100. We're going up. $170. Talk to me. The goal is 300, guys. 300. It's staying firm. No hands on the stick. You seen it? Let's go up. Shit. Damn. Definitely getting the high wind warnings. But it's holding out. Jeez. That sports mode is crazy. Let's go into normal mode and see if it'll handle. I'm in normal mode now. Well, the wind is blowing towards the shore, so if anything, it can't blow out to the sea. It could only blow inwards, but still, you know, videos are kind of rough now because the wind is just, it's catching it on a crosshair. So flying sideways is just, okay, fly a little bit sideways, let me go higher. That's a nice shot. You gotta pick and choose your shots carefully, right? But look, you're getting shots. Pull back a little bit. Damn, I'm in normal mode. I'm surprised. We're gonna fly forward. I don't want to fly forward too much. There we go. That's a nice shot. I guess, you know what? Photos might be the thing, you know? Let's opt for some photos. Definitely would not recommend anything like asteroid or anything like that. But hey, you know, let's get this stadium. Damn. Even in normal mode, this thing is sitting. while I'm snapping these shots. It's ridiculous. Bring it back. I almost can't believe it. Jeez, it's bad out here, guys.
Landing. Landing. Landing.
Damn, impressive. Impressive. I'll be the first to admit that I underestimated this guy. I got nothing but respect for this right now, and not for just recommended to take off and go and fly in these kind of circumstances, but look, if you're traveling, you're on the go, and you see a shot and you're like, oh, I like that, but it's windy. Guess what? You could go up and get that shot. You don't have to hang up there for long, but you know you could take this bad boy up, snap your shot, your photo, get a quick reel of video for a couple seconds, come down back, bam. It could handle it. It could take the torment. It's pretty windy out here, guys, and it's not backing down. Hit that thumbs up button, like this video. Make sure you share this with anyone who you know flies the Mavic Mini, with anyone you know flies the Mini 2. Make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I can't believe it. The engineers, whoever engineered that, I mean, from Mini 1 to Mini 2, it's just, it's night and day. I can't believe it. Oh well. Let's get it moving. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.